Okay, 2 more barrels are in. Let's retry this. Yep, if you heard that sound, set off the second cartridge without pulling the trigger. It didn't fire anything, but it just released all the air. So I guess I'll be sticking with 1 barrel for the time being. Consistent velocity though, that was 301 feet per second. 304 feet per second. 307 feet per second. Let's do 2 more shots on paper. I adjust the sight on this, but let's be honest here. The trigger on this thing, even with the stock, I'm finding very difficult. The pull on it is just so heavy, but let's see if we're more on target now. Not really. Let's do another one. That was better.